Eastern Daylight Time. It's 4:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Thunderstorms are producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have been measured by a number of gauges in southern Cabarrus County. Rainfall may build further south and west from its present location, leading to rapid rainfall accumulation in eastern Mecklenburg County. 1 to 3 inches could fall in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Farm Mill Road and Stallings Road are particularly prone to flooding. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Concord, East Charlotte, Mid Hill, Harrisburg, Mount Pleasant, Midland, Reedy Creek Park, and Fairview. When it is safe to do so, please report flooding or landslides threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-667-FLASH-101 by posting on our Facebook page or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the specific location where impacts occurred and the depth of flooding observed. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.